Hey YouTube, this is my X-Dive diving knife. I've had this for 3 years, and as you've seen probably in another video, and I'm always washing this with fresh water when I come back from a diving or so. But this year I've noticed that this knife has some serious rust on it because I've neglected to oil it up when this summer season ends, like now, for instance. I just only wash it with fresh water, and so this is what happened. It has a lot of rust here in the base. It still cuts a lot, and it has a sharp edge. I've used it only slightly on fishing, but I always use it when I go diving or spearfishing. So as you've seen, there's a lot of rust, so we're gonna put it back in here, its place, and we're gonna try to clean it up with some WD-40, clean the rust to see if we can manage to salvage it, or we will try to buy another knife because this is, as I said, it's quite cheap. So let's go try to do that. So that was it. As you can see, there is some improvement, but the rust here on the bottom still remains. The blade is in a better condition, although a lot of the coloring has gone off, but that's something to be expected. Now, if you want to maintain your diving knife, you should always use some rust protective oil at the end of the season, or every time you complete your dive and wash it off with fresh water. This is supposed to be a stainless steel knife, however it's one of the cheap ones, so it's something to be expected. However, the blade still remains in place. It is very sharp, still very sharp, and that we have removed the rust from the tip, which is important for me when I'm killing the fish. But the rust remains down here, and as it seems, I may get another knife somewhere in the future. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.